What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you for tuning in, and always thank you for watching my videos. Please continue to share these videos with your friends and families. And if you know anybody that's transitioning out of the military or currently have already transitioned and maybe need some more help with their resume, please share this video. My name is Mario P. Fields, Sergeant Major in front of that. You guys know I'm retired, of course. And I'm also a part-time Department of Labor Vets TAP facilitator. I support transitioning service members and spouses and help them gain a better understanding of their skills and also what the private sector has to offer through multiple workshops. Today, we're going to talk about resumes. I'm going to give you guys 3 tips on resumes. Number 1, if you're applying for a job in the private sector, you don't want your resume to be no longer than 2 pages. Here's why. The average employer, through research conducted by Department of Labor, will look at a resume less than 30 seconds, right? Less than 30 seconds. So you want your resume to be developed less than 2 pages with that understanding. Number 2, you want to ensure that your qualification section is relevant to the job announcement or the occupation or industry that you are pursuing. What I mean by that is, if I looked at a job announcement, and let's say to be a project manager for a company, and I analyzed that job announcement, and I did not see in the qualification section they were looking for people who are comfortable with public speaking, then I would not in my qualifications start listing those soft skills, comfortable public speaking, a great public speaker, dynamic public speaker. Those qualifications that if I listed those would not be relevant to the job announcement. So you want to look at the job announcement or interview, do informational interviews with people to find out what skills, hard and, right, soft and hard skills, or human skills, I call them, but what skills are they looking for? And then you develop your qualification section, and again, about 6 to 8 qualifications of relevant skills to that particular job announcement or what that employer is looking for. And then number 3, gain a better understanding of the applicant tracking system. So if you go on any job board, that's LinkedIn, Glassdoors, right, Indeed.com, any job board, and you apply through an online job board, you're actually going up against this thing called the Applicant Tracking System, the ATS. So gain a better understanding of ATS. You can put it in the search engine. There's lots of information out there on it. And that way, you know that if you analyze the job announcement and you put those words, right, those skills that employer is looking for in your resume, and you do it multiple times, at least you know that software, the applicant tracking system, will pick up your resume because it's designed, the software is designed to match the needs of the employer, right, with the skills of the applicant, and then to provide the employer some qualified applicants. If your resume does not get noticed by the applicant tracking system, it does not mean you're not qualified for the job. It just means that your resume was designed where the words that your qualifications, your certifications are not matching what the employer is looking for. I hope those 3 tips help. If you guys need more advice, you can put comments in the chat. You can also email me at host@unarmoredtalk.com. That's host@unarmoredtalk.com. And I can provide you guys a little bit more assistance, maybe answer some questions in regards to the resume. Well, until next time, I'll see you guys later.